I arrive in London. Heathrow Airport is very big. I look up at the ceiling. I take out my sketchbook. I draw. This is my first London drawing. The Heathrow Express is very fast and clean. I look out the window. I see red brick houses, many chimneys. This is London. I draw the rooftops in my sketchbook. Paddington Station. The roof is made of iron and glass. This station is very old. I look up and up. I draw the iron arches in my sketchbook. London has beautiful old buildings. A red double-decker bus. A real London bus. I see it and I smile. I cannot stop smiling. I take a photo. I send it to my mom. She says, "Finally, you are really there." My London hotel room is small but very nice. I open the window. I look at the gray sky and the red brick buildings. I breathe in. This is London air. I like it. British crisps. What is prawn cocktail flavor? Prawn cocktail. So interesting. A good choice, that one. I find the River Thames. The water is grey and brown and it is beautiful. A pigeon stands next to me. London pigeons are very brave. I draw the river in my sketchbook. Good evening, London. Fish and chips, please. Right away, love. So much chips. I love this pub. The London Underground, the tube. Before the train comes, I feel hot air from the tunnel. My hair moves, then the train arrives, so loud. But everyone looks very calm, very London. Day 1 is finished. I drink British tea in my London bed. I look at my London drawings. The river, the station, the pub. I am very happy. Good night, London. This is Shoreditch, East London. The street art is everywhere. Big paintings on the walls. I am a designer, so I love this. Beautiful colors, beautiful shapes. London is a very creative city. Flat white, please. The latte art is a leaf. Good coffee makes me a better artist, I think. Borough Market, so much food. I order a salt beef bagel. The meat is pink and warm and very tender. The bagel is big, very, very big. I eat it. This is the best. Tower Bridge. This bridge opens in the middle for big boats. It is 130 years old. I look up at the towers. I look down at the river. London is very, very old and very beautiful. The Tate Modern Gallery is inside an old power station. The big hall is enormous. I see an art installation, mirrors in the ceiling. I look up and see my face in many small pieces. I sit on the floor and I draw. £3 for a London architecture book. The Millennium Bridge is a modern bridge, but at the end of this bridge, St. Paul's Cathedral. Very old and very big. I draw them together. New bridge, old cathedral. This is London, old and new together, always. St. Paul's Cathedral, 300 years old. I look up at the big dome. I need to step back to see it. It is too big. Christopher Wren built this. What a building, what a man. Leadenhall Market, beautiful old covered market. Burgundy and gold and green, the roof is like a painting. I am a designer and I say this is perfect design. Every color is in the right place. Day 2 is finished. I compare my photos and my drawings. The drawings are better, I think. I write, Day 2, East London, the city. Very good. Tomorrow, museums and parks. Good night. The Victoria and Albert Museum. I walk inside and I stop. This is a museum? This looks like a palace. A glass roof above, beautiful walls, a fountain in the center. I cannot believe this is free to visit. Flat color. No shadow. This is ancient graphic design. Cream first or jam first? This is a very serious question in England. In England, people argue cream first or jam first. I try both ways. My answer, cream first, then jam. But please do not fight with me about this. A London squirrel comes very close to my shoes. I do not move. The squirrel does not move. We look at each other. Very slowly, I take my phone. I take a photo. Good morning, London squirrel. I sit by the Serpentine Lake in Hyde Park. A seagull sits next to me. I draw the lake. Then I draw the seagull too. Now we are both in the picture. Thank you, seagull. The Natural History Museum. A blue whale skeleton hangs in the entrance. 25 meters. I take my phone to take a photo. Then I put my phone away. I just look up at the whale. Queen Victoria loved Prince Albert very much. After he died, she made this golden memorial for him. It is very big, very golden, Victorian. I draw the Golden Tower. What a love story. Portobello Road Market. I find an old film camera. I look through the viewfinder. No film inside, but I see London through old glass. Everything looks different, more beautiful maybe. Pink houses in a grey city. London surprises me every corner. Notting Hill has pink houses and yellow houses and blue houses. In the grey London, these colours are a big surprise. In Covent Garden, a violinist plays beautiful music in the street. It is free. Everyone stands and listens. I draw the music in a beautiful piazza. This is why I love London. I wake up. I look at the window. It rains. Big London rain. My plan is cancelled. I stand at the window for a moment. Then I decide today is a different kind of London day. Good. The rain makes the street a mirror. Everything reflects in the wet road. The rainy day is beautiful. I find a small bookshop. Inside it is warm and dry and it smells of old books. There is a cat on the shelf.
It looks at me.
I look at it. Not outside in the rain. Outside, rain. Inside, a warm chair, an old book, a cat. This is a perfect London afternoon. I do not want to leave. I find a pub with a real fireplace. I sit very close to the fire. Here you are, love. Mulled wine. Mulled wine is hot red wine with spice and orange. It is the best cold day drink. Outside, cold rain. Inside, warm. The underground is the secret of London in the rain. Thank you, London Underground. A new sketchbook is very exciting for a designer. New white pages, so many possibilities. This is my London rainy day shopping. Very practical, very happy. My first drawing in my new London sketchbook. A steamed cafe window. The rain outside makes the glass wet and foggy. London through a wet window looks soft and warm. A beautiful accident of the rain. I walk home in the rain. A chip shop. Hot chips in a paper cone. I walk home in the rain and eat chips. Hot and salty. Cold rain on my face. This is my best London decision. I write in my new sketchbook. London. The rain was not a problem. The rain was the day. It's my favorite London day. Good night, rainy London. Buckingham Palace. Everyone takes photos of the palace, but I draw the Victoria Memorial in front. The gold sculptures are more interesting to me. Different eye, different drawing. This is my London. The changing of the guard. The guards wear big black fur hats, 45 centimeters tall, very heavy. They stand perfectly still. I try to draw them quickly. They do not move. I am impressed. Big Ben. Actually, Big Ben is the name of the bell inside the tower. The tower is called Elizabeth Tower. The building is the Houses of Parliament. I draw all of this on my bridge. I learn something new every day in London. Westminster Abbey, 1,000 years old. I look at the carved stones, so much. Every centimeter has a design. I photograph a small piece of the door arches, 800 years old. Columbia Road flower markets, so many flowers, roses and sunflowers and peonies and tulips. The gray London sky makes the colors look even brighter. I buy a small plant for my hotel room. London gives me color. The lion is very big and very serious. The lion and I look at each other. I think we are friends now. I smile for both of us.
I think the brush is visible.
I sunflower from the painting. Very difficult. Van Gogh is very, very good. From here I see all of London. London people. The tower to make a water all the London very here. The prime meridian. This line goes around the whole earth. My left foot is west, my right foot is east. I stand in space as two travelers. This is famous. 2 hemispheres. I pack my bag. Clothes go in the suitcase. My 2 sketchbooks go carefully in my tote bag. The plant stays on the windowsill. I leave it for the next person. A small London gift. London at night is a different city, more mysterious. The lights make the light lines. The London I love this post so all. A grilled cheese toastie at a London night market. The cheese is melted and it pulls when I open it. Look at that cheese pull. Hot and crispy and so good. London night markets are the best idea. The British Museum Great Court. The roof is made of 3,000 glass triangles. Each one is different. I am a designer and this is my favorite ceiling in London. I draw the triangle pattern in my sketchbook. I go inside a red telephone box. Inside, everything is red. I feel red. These boxes are very old. Not many people use them for phones now, but they are still beautiful. Very London. The Underground map is a design masterpiece. Harry Beck designed it in 1933. I take it home as my most important London souvenir. Mushy peas. They look very strange, dark green and soft. I try a small bite, then a bigger bite, eat all of them. Mushy peas are delicious. I am surprised. London surprises me every day. The skateboarders move like drawings, like animation. The South Bank skate park, the skateboard has the Puental, the skateboard see. I need to wash my clothes. I find a local laundrette. I sit and watch my clothes go around and around. I draw the washing machine window. This is not a tourist London. This is real everyday London. I like it. Primrose Hill is not in my guidebook. I find it by walking. The London view from here is so beautiful. The Shard, the city towers, things in London, you find them by walking. I buy London postcards and write them to my mum and my friends. Dear Mum, London is very grey and very beautiful. Old-fashioned, I know. But I like postcards. They are small drawings of the world. Soho in London! So many restaurants. Italian, Japanese, and Lebanese. Every country is here. London eats everything. I eat Malaysian noodles in Soho. Very good decision. People live here. It is very grey and very big. The Barbican, it is all Grand Cru, it is a grey engagement. People say to fabricate, life always finds a way. I am alone on a London rooftop. Solo travel is a gift. I am very happy. These solo travels, easy of self too. I sit at the departure gate. I look at my 2 sketchbooks. 60 drawings in 5 days. Paddington Station, the Thames, Borough Market, the Rainy Window, all of London in these pages. Thank you, London. Tell me in the comments where do you want to go next? I will go back to London one day, I promise.